Hi and welcome to TechCool. Today I'm going to be talking about how to SSH into a Raspberry Pi. Now it's actually really easy and sometimes it may not work, and in this tutorial I'll have a guide step by step on how to do it. So hope you enjoy. Now to SSH into your Raspberry Pi, it's actually really easy. Now once you've found your IP address, all you have to do is type in SSH pi at 192.168.7.1.75. That's my Raspberry Pi's IP address. Yours will be different. Type in yours there and just click enter. Now it'll ask you for fingerprint keys. If it asks you to say yes, type in yes and then enter the password you set before. Once you've entered the password, you'll be now into the Raspberry Pi. Please leave any questions in the comment below and like and subscribe. Bye!